Testing. This is manual testing by Lubna Seda. Sorry for the very long wait. I was keeping really unwell. Now this is a welcome video as is a very short video. The topic is all about ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing is very simple to understand and very small topic to discuss about. Picked up this topic because this has been asked about from many people, like especially freshers, like why do we do ad hoc testing? What is it? What is it? What are the advantages? What is the need? What are the disadvantages? And so every question will be answered in this video. What is ad hoc testing? What do you understand from the word ad hoc? Ad hoc is nothing but it's a Latin word which means it needs an immediate action. So ad hoc testing is from the slide. What do you understand? So ad hoc testing is done without any documentation, without any test cases, without any stories. It is just test as a layman. Okay, when you are accessing the application for the first time, you do sanity check, you perform smoke test, everything. Once that is satisfied and your application is stable enough to move forward, you do an ad hoc testing on it just to make sure the application is not breaking or crashing at any given point of time, irrespective of how many links you're clicking multiple times, or how quick you're clicking, what is the stoppage time between each click. N number of scenarios can be covered in ad hoc testing. When you're testing in web browser, web application, the application can be tested to such a rigorous level that it tends to give you a pop-up saying wait or kill the session. When you reach this sort of a level of testing, which without any documentation, it means ad hoc testing. It means you are crashing the application, which is a proper attitude of doing ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing has to be performed with an attitude of test to break the application. So you're like, there are certain scenarios, like example, if a site is having multiple links and you're clicking each link with very less nanoseconds, very less time. And what happens when you click the multiple links multiple times again and again, the application tends to break. The application asks you to wait because your click time is less than what time is required. So what happens at that point of a time? Your application breaks. Okay, it stops responding to you. Either the system get hangs or the browser get hangs, or you get a pop-up saying that you have to wait till the application regains its position, or you have to kill the session so that the browser gets closed. Now this is what happens in web application. What happens in mobile devices, mobile, or say about iPads or tabs, how it works, how you can say the system is crashed. What happens when you're accessing some application to a certain intensity and certain level, of rigorous level? What happens? The browser closes very abruptly, which means the application has broken, which means, like, the application has crashed. Okay, so generally these are the terms which we use for saying the application is not working up to the mark, which means it has crashed. So these type of testing has to be done on a very intense and very rigorous level. This is why we do ad hoc testing, because this is not mentioned in any requirement documents, any specification documents, any test cases, nothing. Ad hoc testing has to be done purely without any documentation, only with the attitude of having test to break the application. Now let's see what are the characteristics of ad hoc testing. Now here are listed few characteristics of ad hoc testing. Please go through the slide. Let me know if you have any doubts and we can have a discussion about it. Moving on to the next topic, which is type of ad hoc testing. These are the three famous types of ad hoc testing, which generally use as the acronyms, or the names of type of testing, to be very precise. But the intention behind these three type of testing is still the same, which is test to break and have the same attitude, just to visit all the corners of the application, just to make sure nothing is breaking the application, no link, no text, no validation is unchecked. So basically ad hoc testing help you identifying more issues, understanding the business more clearly, understanding the application more easily, identifying the more defect prone areas. So ad hoc testing, and using these type of testing, it still helps you even better to make the application bug free. Now let's move on to the different other topic, which is advantages of ad hoc testing. Why do we do ad hoc testing? What's the need of ad hoc testing? Advantages of ad hoc testing are listed below. Please go through the site. Where there is advantages, then comes disadvantages. This slides talk about the disadvantages, but purely if you really ask me, I don't find a disadvantage in Adhoc testing at any given point, whether it is writing down your metrics or traceability metrics or whatever. I don't think so it's any disadvantage, but these are, these are the advantage disadvantages which has come from very pro leaders, and also let's consider them. Moving on to the next topic, which is, I would say, this is a conclusion of what ad hoc testing do, what is the need of ad hoc testing, and why do we do it. This was a very small video. As the topic itself is very small, I'll be coming up with another video very soon, which will be talking more about exploratory testing. That's also a very small topic, but I'll try to merge with another type of testing so that I can make a very good video about it. I'll try to include the pros and cons of whatever type of testing I'm trying to pick up, and try to give you examples and try to make it very interactive and understanding. Also, guys, just message me or ping me or write down a comment if this topic is not okay for the next video, or if you wish to have any other topic. Now, thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of thoughtful testing. Really, really thankful. Guys, just stay safe, stay healthy, and stay happy. Thank you so much once again.